Hello, USA Tiny Tots English explorers. It's time for more alphabet magic on our journey from H to M. Are you ready for some fantastic fun and learning? Let's dive in. Today we will learn about H is for, I is for, J is for, K is for, L is for, M is for. So let's
H
start.
is for hat.
Imagine a hat with stripes or polka dots. What color would your magical hat be? Share your hat colors in the comments below. Let's explore the letter H together. I is for ice cream. Yum! Can you guess my favorite ice cream flavor? Let me know in the chat, and let's see if we match. Ice cream brings smiles, doesn't it? J is for jellyfish. Join me in a fascinating underwater adventure with a jiggly, wiggly jellyfish. What do you think a jellyfish feels like? Share your thoughts in the comments. K is for keys. Let's create a musical moment with imaginary keys. What sound does your key make? Tap, jingle, or click, let your imagination play the tune. L is for ladybug. Time for a spotting game. How many ladybugs can you find in your room right now? Count them and let me know. Learning is all around us. M is for moon. Our creative challenge today is to draw your dreamy moon. What special things would you see on your moon? Share your moon art with us. Let the creativity shine. And that wraps up our adventure from H to M. I had a blast exploring the alphabet with you. If you enjoyed it too, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to USA Tiny Tots English for more exciting journeys. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep shining. Goodbye, little explorers.